Hey y'all, this is Emily, the coyote intern here on Dewees. This presentation is a compilation of my research and experiences this summer working on Dewees. My main responsibility this summer involved using trail cameras to monitor the coyotes on the island. I started this summer by sorting through photos from the beginning of 2020 and backlogged photos from previous years. In February, we got a video of 2 coyotes on the road by 2 pipes, so we knew that the population was at least 2 members. The biggest and most exciting moment of this summer for me is these 2 photos. These photos, taken at the end of July, show a melanistic coyote. A melanistic coyote is one that has a black coat coloration. Sullivan's Island is known to have a population of melanistic coyotes, but this is our first known melanistic coyote on Dewees. Another part of my research was attempting to collect a fur sample for genetic testing. After consulting numerous sources, I decided to try and build a natural fur trap since coyotes can be avoidant of man-made materials. My scent lure was a pre-made mix that we bought online. In addition, I often put roadkill by the fur trap. Unfortunately, raccoons were the only animals that seemed super interested in the fur trap. The scent lure might have been too foreign for the coyotes, and they avoided it. Continuing Jared's work from last summer, I conducted a series of vocalization surveys. Over the summer, I tried different calls, packs howling, single coyote barks, yips, and howls, but none were successful. However, during my final vocalization survey, I did a visual inspection of my surroundings with a flashlight and did see a coyote that came in to investigate the noises. Additionally, I conducted scat analysis around the island. Coyotes are omnivores, and the scat reflected this. Based on the scat, the coyote's diet consists of some small animals, possibly raccoons, mice or rats, and rabbits, sea turtle eggs from nests before they are caged, and various plant material. Something new we did this summer was set up a Google map with the trail camera locations. Each pin represents a trail camera, and a pin can hold images from the trail cameras. By doing this, we can track the movement or patterns of coyotes on the island. Compared to last summer, we had significantly less coyote sightings on the island. This could be a result of many reasons, some being that there were less coyotes on the island since one died last year, food availability or resources have changed on the island and the coyotes now must frequent different areas, or even a response to changes in human activities due to quarantining and just being on the island. Another reason we might see the coyotes less is because we have below average rainfall in June and July. As a result, the coyotes have had to venture farther around the island in order to find water resources. I also have been using the trail cameras to study animal diversity on the island. This summer, I saw many different and healthy-looking animals. This is some of the possible work left for next year's intern. Like this year, we'll need to know how many coyotes are on the island. Part of my work this year was to set up the trail camera Google map and develop an Excel sheet to sort camera images, which will hopefully be continued. I also think it would be interesting to try and set up cameras on Capers Island. This summer, Carson and I did our independent project on DNA analysis of the loggerhead sea turtles that have nested on Dewees. In order to learn about our findings, check out our report in the Nature Center. There were countless adventures and activities I participated in this summer. Some highlights were alligator and owl surveys, crabbing in the impoundment, invasive Chinese tallow removal, cast netting, responding to a sea turtle stranding, and participating in turtle patrols. Olivia and I even relocated a diamondback terrapin nest that was laid under a golf cart by the ferry dock. I had a lot of fun getting to know the other interns this summer. We did so much together, and I'll always remember the memories we made. I'd like to finish up by saying a big thank you to everyone that helped make this internship happen this summer. I feel super lucky that I got the opportunity to spend my summer at this amazing place. Thank you.